Good morning, everyone. Today we will study map of chapter 18. Now you required for the map paper, pencil, scale and eraser. Now you can see here in the map already I have done the references. That one you have to draw with the pencil and mark with the sign. In the first one I have sign for the wildlife sanctuary. Second one star, that is made for the bird sanctuary. And the third one, that is triangle, that is for the national park. Now see, first one you have to tick mark 2 wildlife sanctuary, that is Sariska and Kioledio. It's given here, that you have to tick mark. In the next one, that you have to tick mark Rajgir and Chandraprabha. These two you have to tick mark as a wildlife sanctuary. Now see here, you have already tick mark Chandraprabha and Rajgiri. Now Kaval, Pocharam and Ithuragram. These 3 wild sanctuary you have to tick mark. This all points you are getting in the textbook also in the chapter number 18. Now see the next two, that is given downside Mudumalai and Perrier. So these are in the south part and one in the near the east part, that is Chandeka and Dampara. So this one you can now count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Total your wildlife sanctuary is 10. Now let's see for the bird sanctuary. Now see for the bird sanctuary. It is given here, that is Vedantgal and another one, that is Ratnathithu, that is here. These two you have to do. And in the part of Gujarat, by mistake I have written here Velavadar, but instead of Velavadar you have to write here Nal Sarovar. What you have to write? Nal Sarovar. Instead of Velavadar you have to write Nal Sarovar. What you have to write here? Instead of Velavadar, Nal Sarovar. Okay. So this is only the 3 that you have to tick mark, bird sanctuary. Now see the next one, that is national park. Which national parks we have to find out? That is on the part of the almost north side. Here you can see easily, that is Dachigam, then Rajaji, then Corbett, Dudhwa, Shivpuri and Ranthambore. So upper part there is a 6 national parks that you can find out. Okay, so these are the 6 national parks. Now see in the part of the Gujarat also there is a Pirotan, then Gir and Velavadar. These are the national parks. Before these 3 we have done 6 national parks, that is the Chigam, Rajaji, Corbett, Dudhwa, Ranthambore and Shivpuri. These are the 6 national parks, and other 3 that is in the part of the Gujarat, Pirotan, Gir and Velavadar. Now see here it shows Nal Sarovar also as a bird sanctuary. Okay. Now see in the part of the south, here also too it shows, that is Gundi and Bandipur. Here also you have to do tick mark for the national parks. And the last one that you can see here in the part of the east, that you can find out easily, that is Kaziranga, Manas and Gormura. Then Simplipal. This is the national parks here also in the part of the east. Then in the middle part also, that is Kanha and Tadoba. So here also we can find out the national parks. Now you can see here, easily we can count out that for the wildlife, that is from the starting we can Sarika, Coledio means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. That is your wildlife sanctuary. In the bird sanctuary you are having only 3, that is 1 in the part of the Gujarat, that is Nal Sarovar, and 2 downside in the part of the south. So 3 are the bird sanctuary, and for the national parks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Total 17 you have national parks. So here you are, this chapter number 18 map completed.